How to turn off quick chat in Among Us mobile. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is download and open the Among Us app on your mobile device. And once you open it, also make sure that you are signed in to your Among Us account. So now basically, in order to turn off quick chat in Among Us, you will have to create a game. If you do not create a game, then you don't make choices about the chat type. So now all you have to do is simply tap on the play option available there at the left hand sidebar. And once you tap on the play, tap on the create game option available there. And inside create game, tap on the chats option available at the top. You can see there is a chat tab. Tap on it and you can simply choose free or quick chat option available there. If you only see quick chat only and cannot change it, your account is likely set to under 13 years old. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.